Welcome traders to freetradingvideos.com. This is a trade I took in BAX some time ago, and this stock was in a very nice uptrend as evidenced by all these inline moving averages. They're all rising and in line. Also, there's a nice series of higher swing highs and higher swing lows through here, indicating that this is a nice uptrend, at least in the near term. All right, this stock put in a very good bullish retracement. All right, so I'm looking now for all the people who had gotten hurt in this area up here. Right? They're looking to have the stock come back and then run back up to let them out of pain. All the people who shorted the stock down in this area, anywhere through here, are now looking for any reason that they might be able to minimize their loss. And so on pullbacks, very often you'll get a higher swing low because the people who were hurt will buy to cover, happy that they got a chance to minimize the damage that was occurring to their account. All right, so this is the crux of a bull pullback. I'm looking to get into this stock if it can take out the high of this bar, put a nice protective stop below the swing low if that works out. The next day, I do get filled on that trade. All right, my stop limit order goes in. I'm filled. My automatic protective stop goes into place to protect me in case the stock heads south. Runs right up into the next logical place of resistance, almost to the penny. I'm still riding this nicely. I move my stop just a little bit below in this area, chasing the 20 MA now. Nice pierce up there to get rid of that overhead resistance, any that might be there, and then the stock finally takes off. Now we're much better than break even on this trade, and I actually exited half of my trade on this day right here. Pretty good, all right, walk away with a little money, easily paid for commissions and much more, and I'm giving myself a chance to stay in the other half of that trade and make some nicer gains. So it's looking good at this point. I move my stop up again, and I get stopped out of it on that day right there. So I didn't give it much of a chance. In fact, that's one thing I could have done better on this trade, and you'll see what happens here. The stock actually pulled back again, ran up nicely to resistance, and then gapped down. So either way, I would have gotten stopped out here or definitely here. All right, very good. So I'm out of it in this scenario. It would have been the exact same money off the table, but I did give myself a chance to stay in the trade and possibly make more profits. Well, thanks for attending freetradingvideos.com, where trading education equals trading profit.